Hey there, Nick with asinzen. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to renew asinzen as a developer on Amazon Seller Central. Before we start, let's look at the cases when you need to renew asinzen as a developer on Amazon Seller Central. The first case is when the rights of asinzen as a developer have expired, in which case you need to regenerate a new MWS token and add it into the asinzen web portal. And the second case is when you just want to renew asinzen as a developer to extend the date that the developer rights expire. For this case, you do not need to change the MWS token in the asinzen web portal. So let's just get started. Start off by logging into Amazon Seller Central. Then locate and hover your mouse over Apps and Services. Then click on Manage Your Apps. This will then take you to a Manage Your Apps screen. In this screen, locate the developer asinzen. For this example, I have two cases. One case where asinzen as a developer has expired, and then the other case where it is active. If it is expired, simply locate the button to the far right that says Enable and click on it. This will then take you to a page with the developer's name asinzen and the developer ID pre-filled. Locate the button that says Next and click on it. The next screen is a confirmation page. Locate and click the checkbox next to the last statement where it says I understand. Then click the Next button. After you do this, you'll be presented with a screen that says congratulations, asinzen can now access your Amazon seller account with MWS. In this screen on the bottom, you will see your MWS token. This is the token that you will need to copy to your clipboard and add into the asinzen web portal. To access the asinzen web portal, simply go to app.asinzen.com. Log in with your account email and password. Once you log in, locate and click on your name on the top right hand corner. A menu will appear. Then click on Manage Marketplaces. Here, your MWS seller ID and token will appear. To enter in your new token, simply click on this field and delete what is there. Then enter the MWS token that you got from the Amazon Seller Central screen into the input box. Once you do that, simply click the Save button to apply the changes. Now let's look at the second case where asinzen as a developer has not expired, but you want to renew the rights to the asinzen app. To do this, simply click on the Renew button. Then a screen will appear telling you that you are renewing the asinzen authorization, and it will give you the new expired date. Click on Renew, and the app will now renew with a new date. Note, when you're renewing the asinzen developer, you do not need to update the asinzen web portal with a new MWS token. The only time you need to update the MWS token is when the asinzen developer rights have expired or you have disabled the asinzen app in Seller Central and then re-enabled it. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.asinzen.com.